Military operation refers to activities carried out in a planned and organized manner by a nation armed force to achieve specific military objectives. The operations can range from large-scale conflicts to smaller targeted interventions and can involve one or more types of forces and capabilities. Military operations are often planned and executed to achieve specific objectives which may be tactical, operational, or strategic. Combat military operations aims to achieve specific tactical or strategic goals such as defeating enemy forces or seizing territory, while a non-combat military operation focuses on tasks like humanitarian assistance, disaster relief, or peacekeeping. Military operations in India. Since independence, India had to carry out a number of military operations in order to maintain internal peace, guard territory, or provide disaster relief and humanitarian assistance. Below is a list of few successful and notable operations carried out by Indian Armed Forces. Operation Mahadev 2025. Operation Mahadev 2025 is joint counter-terror operation which was launched by the Indian Security Forces, Chinar Corps of Indian Army, the Central Reserve Police Force (CRPF), and the Jammu and Kashmir Police. Operation Sindoor 2025. The most recent operation by Indian Armed Force targeted against terror infrastructure in Pakistan and Pakistan-occupied Jammu and Kashmir to avenge the shameful Pahalgam terror attack. Operation Polo 1948, conducted with the goal of integrating the state of Hyderabad into the Indian Union, spearheaded by then Home and Defence Minister Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Operation Vijay 1961, carried out to free Goa from Portuguese rule and integrate into mainland India. After the successful completion, Goa and Daman and Diu were annexed and integrated into India. Operation Cactus Lily 1971, conducted by Indian Air Force. Operation Cactus Lily was a precursor to Bangladesh Liberation War, which ended in formation of a new nation of Bangladesh. Operation Trident 1971. Operation Trident was one of the first naval assaults against Pakistan and was part of the Bangladesh Liberation War. The thumping victory in this operation is commemorated as Navy Day on 4 December every year. Operation Meghdoot 1984, carried out in one of the highest battlefields of the world. Operation Meghdoot was aimed at capturing Siachen Glacier in Kashmir region. The success of this operation gave India an upper hand forever. Operation Blue Star 1984, to deal with growing chaos in Punjab over demands of separate nation of Khalistan. Operation Blue Star was carried out to eradicate Sikh militants operating from Golden Temple of Amritsar. Operation Cactus 1988, India helped Maldives avoid a coup against their second president M.A. Gayoom. It was a joint effort of all three, Army, Air Force and Navy, and was a huge success. Operation Rajiv 1987, aimed to capture a high point in Siachen Glacier from Pakistan's control. Indian Army successfully completed the operation and named the point as Bana Post to honor Captain Bana Singh. Operation Pawan 1987. This successful operation was carried out by Indian peacekeeping forces to defuse the tension caused by LTTE in Sri Lanka. Operation Vijay 99, codename for two operations Goa Liberation and Integration in 1961 and the conflict between India and Pakistan in 1999, soon turned into Fight's Kargil War, wherein our forces claimed the strategic position back from Pakistan. Operation Talwar 1999. This was undertaken by the Indian Navy to support Operation Vijay 1999. Naval fleets strategically positioned themselves in the North Arabian Sea as part of the mission. Operation Parakram 2001. This was undertaken following the attack on Indian Parliament in 2001. It was a military standoff between India and Pakistan along the border and is considered as biggest military deal in Asia. Operation Black Tornado 2008. This was an NSG commando mission during the 26/11 attacks on Taj Palace Hotel in Mumbai. The main objective of this mission was to rescue the hostages. Ajmal Kasab was a terrorist who was caught alive in this operation. Military operations by Indian Army. Considered as one of the world's largest army, the Indian Army has over the years conducted many successful operations individually and collaboratively with with other forces or with other nations' armies. Here is a detailed list about various operations. Military operations by Indian Navy. Indian Navy, with its diverse fleet and personnel, traces its route to the 17th century and was renamed as Indian Navy in 1950. Indian Navy motto Sam no Varunah, taken from Rig Veda and translated to May God Varun and God of Ocean be auspicious unto us. Here is a list of various operations conducted by Indian Navy. Military operations by Indian Air Force. Known as the Guardians of the Sky, the Indian Air Force has the motto Nav Isparsan Diptam, translating to touch the sky with glory. This is derived from Bhagavad Gita and is inscribed below the eagle on IAF crest. Below is the list of successful operations over the years done by Indian Air Force.